All right, scientists, so you have gone through the energy types with me. You answered the few questions on our Google form. I specifically picked out potential, kinetic, and mechanical because those are the three that are most often switched around. So now we are going to do our proof of practice on our energy transformations, and then you'll have a couple questions on that on the Google form. So the first one is to circle all of the energies that is used when a Chromebook is on and charged. So it's already on, it's already charged, it's already open, and you'll notice there is no plug. So we have to go through each of these and think about, does a Chromebook use that? So for potential, does its height matter? Hopefully you said no, so we're not going to circle that one. Kinetic, does the Chromebook move in a straight line? Hopefully you said no, we are not going to circle that one. Mechanical, does the Chromebook move up and down? Or, secret option B with mechanical, are there buttons to push? Hopefully you said yes, there are buttons to push, and that is mechanical, so we're going to circle mechanical. Chemical, is there food that the Chromebook consumes? Nope, does not eat. But chemical could also be a battery, as we learned on the front side. So does a Chromebook use chemical? Hopefully you said yes, and we're going to circle it. Light, does a Chromebook give off light? Hopefully you said yes, we're circling that one. Electrical, is my Chromebook currently plugged in? It is not. We are not going to circle electrical because, again, we said it's already on and it's fully charged, so we don't have it plugged in. And there's no plug coming off of this one. Does a Chromebook use sound? Hopefully you said yes. A Chromebook does make sound depending upon the different websites I go to. Maybe you thought of the buttons clicking, but we do say that a Chromebook uses sound. Then, thermal, does the Chromebook get warm after a while? And hopefully you said yes, it does give off thermal energy. So we have these 5 for this reason. Our last thing that we are going to do is we are going to choose the first 3 forms of energy that make a lamp work, and then we have to order them. So we can use this list again if we forgot all of the different types of energy. So we think about, we can't look at the ones that are X'd off. Oh, never mind, you guys, they're right here. Sorry. So if we look at these, which one has to come first, or my lamp isn't even going to work? Hopefully you thought to yourself, it's gotta be electrical first. And we know that that comes from the plug-in. See this little plug-in right here? If this is not plugged in, nothing about my lamp is going to work. Then we need our second kind of energy. So let's think about, how do I make the lamp actually work? So it's plugged in, it's going to get electricity, but now what do I do to get it on? Hopefully you thought to yourself, that's got to be mechanical when I turn it on. Then we need the third one for a lamp. So I have it plugged in, it's getting electricity, I've turned the button, the switch, whatever it is that makes that lamp turn on. And now what happens because it is a lamp? And hopefully you thought to yourself, the point of the lamp is light energy because it gives off light. Now, a lot of you are going to be thinking to yourself, oh, but it could also have thermal because it gets hot. Sure, totally could. Maybe you think to yourself that it might have some sound with the clicking of the button. Okay, but we do definitely need the point of the lamp, which is the light. So that's why we just asked for the first 3, because these 3 are the most important to making a lamp work. All right, you are going to have questions on this on your Google form.